Hello, my name is Gordon Starr. I'm the Membership and Volunteer Manager here for the Delaware Center for Horticulture. And I'm here with my buddy Wes Wooten, a filming accomplice, and we're going to talk today about mulch. Let's get into it. Mulch, at a very basic level, is just something that we cover the ground with, right? In our gardens or raised beds, we don't want to leave a bunch of exposed soil. Why? Because it's going to allow the sun to basically suck all the nutrients right out of the soil. And we want the soil to retain the nutrients so that our plants look the best they can. Other benefits of mulch include moisture retention, as well as just a tidy and clean looking landscape. Not to mention, it helps us later on so we don't have to pick so many weeds out. And I know that it's about summertime here in Delaware and there's plenty of weeds. Wes and I have been doing lots of picking on the landscapes. So here you can see that we've used the shredded leaf mulch to cover the bed, create a nice tidy appearance. And basically for these, we brought it right up to the stem on a tree. You want to give it a little bit of space around the bark there because you don't want the mulch up in that volcano shape. That's really a no-go. That creates a lot of too much moisture retention, essentially rots out the base of the tree. So we definitely want to avoid that. But here you can see a nice tidy appearance. It looks really great. And yeah, so thank you so much for listening. And if you are enjoying this content and the public landscape works and education works that we're doing around town, please give us a shout and feel free to join or become a member. You can go on thedch.org. Thanks.